Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Peakless Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is part 2 of my Michael's grab bag videos. I am so excited. The first bags, I should say boxes, were absolutely unbelievable and amazing. And it was a lot of both of these are going to be summer and back to school type items. So the first one mainly was just summer with a couple of back to school items. Now these boxes I know for a fact are going to be mainly back to school, because you can tell, the way I could tell is because there's like a little tiny hole in them. So I could see in there that there was some back to school type and multiple items in there. There wasn't like a lot of big decor pieces. There were more like small multiple items. They are very, very heavy. And then the other way I could tell was because the store was still setting up and there was a whole pallet, and literally the whole pallet you could see was just back to school. So where they were placed in the store, as well as the little glimpse that I could see inside, leads me to believe that they are mainly back to school. So I am going to open up the first box. There's 2 boxes today. If you haven't seen the first video in this series, definitely watch it after this, because the home decor pieces from the summer and spring line that I got were just amazing. I think that those are probably some of the best boxes that I have unboxed so far in from my Michael's grab bags. So that will be in the playlist. I'm going to link down below. Now, I don't really know what's in store for me. I know that there's going to be probably a lot of multiples and duplicate. It's probably gonna be like a lot of duplicates and things like that. But without further ado, let's get into it and see what's inside these boxes that both weighed about 50 pounds each. Okay, not exactly 50 pounds each, but you know what I mean. They were pretty heavy. So first item, there are 3 of them inside the box. And actually this is really, really cool. It's one of these school calendar kits. So there's the dates, the months, and then all the different holidays that go along with it. And you can set up each month like this on this paper right here, on this piece right here with one of those expo markers. So this is really, really cool. I'm definitely going to use one of these because the one that I have, it's old and it's much smaller. So this is actually perfect for our homeschool classroom that we have at home for Gianni. And I'm going to donate the other 2. I went through box number 1 and there was a ton of really awesome school supplies and crafting type supplies in there. So I'm really, really excited. So there's a lot of things that I can keep for myself, things for giveaways, gifting, and of course donations, most likely to the church, to the school, to another local foundation that helps children and families, and save some things for Toys for Tots. So really exciting. I got journals, you guys. Oh my God. I got 3 different types of journals and multiples of them. I am so excited. This is a 30-page journal, has a soft cloth cover, and it's just plain inside. This is like perfect for me, for what I like to do for crafting, and also for my channel, because I know a lot of you guys like to craft, like to journal, like to plan, things like that. So definitely going to include some of these in giveaways. And again, this is perfect to donate and perfect for gifting. So I have 23 of these 30-page journals, and the company is Recollections. It's the same one that does all of their really beautiful scrapbooking paper and all that type of stuff. So that's really, really cool. They also do a lot of different items in the store, but so that's really, really cool. Now let me show you the other journals that I got. So look at this one. Look how beautiful this is. This one I'm keeping for myself. I am psyched. There's only one of them in here, but that's for me. And then I also got a bunch of black journals. Let me see how many of these I got. 17 of these black journals. There is not a price on these, but I can't tell you exactly the value for them, but still really, really awesome for a journal with a fabric cover. We got a ton of them. Amazing, amazing value in this box already. And there's still a bunch more stuff to get through. So I am so, so happy with this box. Okay, 2 rulers. They're $2.99 each. And these are really cool. So they're blue, but then on the back, they have this obviously so that you could like lean it on there. But I love it because they're great for sensory kids as well. So let me open it and show you closer. At least that's what I'm thinking of. I used to work in special ed, and that's exactly what I'm thinking of, is like sensory type stuff. So yeah, super, super cool. And I love the colors as well. I think this is awesome. So I got 2 of these. And these are by Creatology. So tons of these little cute change purses, coin purses. You can put like your earbuds in them, things like that. The kids can put these in their backpacks. I got, this is the first batch. There's more on the floor. So 2 of these cute little donuts. And most likely these are going to go into the Toys for Tots. And I'm going to give them to the foundation for families and children. So 2 of those. These are by Creatology. They're $4.99. And then there's just one plain blue one. And this one's cool because it actually has this on it. So that's really cool. There are 4 of these adorable little rainbows. Love it. So 3 of the cute little bear. And then there's also an adorable llama. And then there's 7 of this adorable little llama. I think it's a llama. Could be a poodle, but I'm thinking it's a llama. So I'm going with llama. That's right there. Again, awesome. I'm so excited because these are going to make great stocking stuffers and things like that when I donate them. Next, paper. Well, not paper, but paper type products. So these are those cute little signs that you can put up on the wall, but they're also great for like ephemera and scrapbooks, journals, things like that. Says zap, pow, and boom. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. These were $1.99 each originally. I'm definitely going to keep at least 2 of them for myself, though, for projects and things like that. Then I also got these, which are great, you know, to write the students' names on, or even to practice sight words and things like that. There's 2 of this beige color and then 2 of the gray color. These were originally $1.99, 24 pieces each. And these I will probably be donating to the church and also to the school because they do have Bible school, the Vacation Bible School over the summer, as well as CCD. So win-win situation. And I'm also going to keep some of these for myself at home for Gianni to practice and to use for his different projects for school. Okay, so these are some more definite school themed items. The generic My First Day, but it's so cute. It says the kid's name and then had a great first day, and they glued the little rainbow on. So there's that one right there. I think there's one with the school bus too. Yes. So there's also one with a little school bus. These are $3.99, and there's 24 of these in here. So there's 3. So I have 3 of the school bus and 1 of the rainbow, obviously keeping some and donating some. This one's really cool too. I love this. My superpower is, how cute is that? 12 of them in here, originally $3.99, and I have 2 of them. Now we're getting into the singles. To just like one of, but so cool. So this is a Color Your Way name tag. Looks like a little superhero emblem, I think. $3.99, and there's 12 of them. These will be perfect for like the Vacation Bible School or the CCD, I'm thinking. And this is really cool too. This is to make a banner. Keeping this for myself. Looks like this on the back. Gianni and I will definitely find a use for this in our homeschool classroom. 13 pieces, so there's 13 of these for $1.99. Now, totally psyched about these. Some super cool pens. Okay, I love pens. I do. I don't know why. I get them all the time at Dollar Tree. I think they're so fun. Guys, look at this. I love that. I'm sorry if there's glare, but how cute is he? Look at that. And this was $3.99. And then this is perfect for like stocking stuffer for Gianni or something like that. Mixed media paintbrushes. Trying to find a price. There's no price, but these are Princeton Artist Brush. So these are really, really good. And then this I love too. What's it got on it? What is the little... I have to see what that... Oh, it's a dinosaur. Oh, that's perfect. So this is perfect for Gianni. You can tell it's a dinosaur because there's dinosaurs right there. So that's probably a little dinosaur in there. And it's one of those really fun pens. This was originally $2.99. That is it for the first box, but my God, tons of stuff. I'm so excited. So let's see what surprises are in box number 2, and then we'll have to decide again, like which one's better, box 1 or box 2. I think it's going to be a pretty tough choice again, but let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, box 2 is like nuts. There's tons and tons of stuff. So I have to stop the camera for probably a good 5 minutes, sort everything out on the floor, and I will meet you back here in just a second. Okay, guys, that took like a while. Took a couple minutes, but I'm back. Look at this. I got 17 of these. Don't mind me holding it like this, but that's what happens if I hold it straight because there's still the packaging on this. But 17 of these. These are the blackboards. So this side is clear, and then this side actually has the lines on it, which is awesome. And in each of these, there's 4 chalkboards. So 17 of these. It's an 8x5 by 11 inches, and they're $4.99 originally. That is insane. So for these, obviously going to be donating a ton of these to the school. I have a lot of friends that are still teaching, and I have some connections with some schools and some churches, like I said. So this is awesome. This is going to be an amazing donation to some people's classrooms. Also to some of my homeschool mom friends. So excited to get these. Let's see what else is in the box. So 2 of these cute little kits. They are not by Creatology, but they're Color Your Nameplate. And it's an adorable little rainbow. There's 12 of these in here, and they were originally $3.99. So I showed you already this when I was going through the box. I got 2 of these adorable little pointers in here. No price on them, but awesome. Obviously keeping one and gifting one. And another one of these. This is great. So another one of these really cool rulers with a little sensory and grip on the bottom. More of these little superhero name tags, I think is what they called them. Nameplates. So there's one. So I got 11 of these in this box, and they originally $3.99 each. So more of these little kits. My superpower is, and again, there's 12 of them in here. 1, 2, 3. So there's 5 of these in this box. This is awesome. And I'm sure I look like all flushed, and that's because literally I'm probably doing about like 3,000 steps between running back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Definitely getting my cardio going because I've been like all over the place in this haul. But yeah, this is so cute. Absolutely glad you're here. Look at how cute that is with the little apple. And you can even put the name, like a picture there of the child. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. People are going to be so happy to get this. My name is, my birthday is, and I am good at. How cute is that? $3.99, 24 of them, and I got 4. So I got more of the school bus and rainbow kits. Here's one more of the school buses. So cute. For the first day. And then there are 4 more of the rainbow kits. Then there's this one. This one was not in the other box. This is really, really cute. It's a little school bus. So it does say first day, but it also has a photo of the child. This year I am excited for, and the best part of today, how cute is that? And it's the little bus that they color. So there's 4 of these in here, $3.99, and there's 24 pieces in each pack. Another one of these little superhero ephemera type poster pieces. And this is different. This is so cute. This makes a little school bus, and you put a picture of the child and their name. How cute is that? And this makes 12 of them, and this is a $3.99. Okay, this is awesome too. These little mini craft stapler kits comes with the little stapler and a package of staples. I got 6 pink ones and 10 of the white ones, and these are from Craft Smart. And I also got 6 of these kits of the refill staples, and there's 4 packs in there, and it says 4 times 1,000 pieces. So that's really cool. So we are almost through with this box. Just 2 more super cool pens. I'm so excited. Let me show you. Okay. A llama. A llama on a huge pom-pom. And look at that, purple. Purple's my favorite color. So $2.99 for this. Another one of these really cool pens. This one I love. It has the rainbow and it has like the letters of the alphabet on it. So that's really, really cool. This was originally $3.99. And that's what I got inside both of my Michaels school supply boxes. Wow, guys. Like the value was unbelievable. Very, very different from what my first video was, of course, because that was tons of home decor. Amazing, gorgeous pieces that I can, like, most of them I'm going to use or gift or donate, honestly, because there's so many amazing pieces in there. But this is great because as a homeschool teacher, a lot of this I can use myself. So like from working in the public schools and from just knowing different charities and other homeschool moms and other teachers, this is awesome. This is so, so good because I'm going to be able to donate a lot of these things to some really great charities and some really great people. And I'm also going to be able to donate a lot of these things to some churches and also a local charity that works with children and families. So that's awesome, as well as Toys for Tots. So this is amazing for $10. My God, the stuff I got, like the value's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you. I know this video was all over the place and like I'm like out of breath from running around and things like that, but I wanted to show you these awesome things that I got in my Michaels grab bags for $10. I'm just blown away by how many things I got. These grab bags are amazing. If you can get them, I definitely suggest doing that whenever you get a chance because you just never know what you're gonna get, and you always at least get some things that you're gonna keep for yourself, some things that you can gift, and things that you could donate and things like that. And guys, which one? Box 1 or box 2? I don't know. Like, box 2 is great because there's so many things that I can donate in them. So like as far as donations go, I think that box 2, but box 1 was amazing just because of the journals that were in there. That alone was awesome for me. Like there did not need to be that many. If there were just like 5 journals in there, even I would have been like super excited, but the amount of journals I got in that one it's unbelievable. So for me, I'm going to say personally, box 1. As far as donations, box 2. What's your favorite? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload. And every time I upload, click the link in the description down below to see my other Michaels grab bag box videos in case you haven't seen them. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.